Hello everyone, in today's quick video I will show you the easiest way to vibrate your phone, your iOS device using SwiftUI. So it is really simple thing to do, and there are some default vibration types. So in this example I have a scanner and I have a state private variable. It's showing scanner, which is true now. I can't show you this on preview because this does not work on preview because we are using camera. So here is my device, and as you can see now, this is a camera. So, and what we need to do is we need to vibrate on change of this state. So about scanner I will make a tutorial in some and show you in some of the next videos how to do it. Now we will focus on that. So we have vstack, which is our root layout, and on that vstack we need to add sensory feedback with this one, with trigger and feedback. Actually we will use sensory with first one, with feedback and trigger. So for the trigger is our state variable. This will trigger when this state of this variable changes. State of this variable is now true because we are showing scanner, and when we scan something the state will change and we will invoke vibration. So we can use for this case success, but you can also use warning, stop, start, and more. Here we will use success because we successfully scanned something. That's it. That's all you need to do. I will now try to run this on my physical phone. And also what I did here is when is showing scanner changes to false, we will show the success image. Now I will show you how to do it. I will try to scan barcode. As you can see now, the state changed. We can see this image and the vibration was successful. I noticed the vibration. So that's the easiest way to add vibration to your SwiftUI project. That's all you need to do. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more useful content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video.